In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload customer list to Apollo.io. Before we click around, make sure you have your customer list ready as a CSV file. Include a header row with clear column names like first name, last name, company, job title, and most importantly, work email. Clean data will save you time later, so remove duplicates and fix obvious typos before you begin. Once you're in Apollo, head to the Prospect and Enrich area. This is the hub where you manage contacts and companies, so it's the right place to build and organize your customer lists. If you don't see it right away, check the main navigation. Apollo may place it in the top menu or left sidebar, depending on your layout. Next, open the Lists section. This is where all your people and account lists live. It's helpful to think of lists as smart containers that keep your audiences organized for outreach, enrichment, and reporting. Now, create a new people list. You'll be prompted to make a list specifically for individual contacts rather than companies. This helps Apollo apply the right fields and actions for person-level data. Give your list a clear, memorable name. A good pattern might be something like Customers, Q2 Imports, or Renewals 2026. Choose something your team will recognize later. If your organization uses tags or naming conventions, follow them here to keep everything consistent. At this point, you can choose filters. Filters help you narrow what you see in the list view based on attributes like job title, location, or industry. If you're uploading a curated customer file, you might leave filters off for now or add simple ones that match how you plan to use the list later. You can always refine filters after the import. When you're ready, select Upload CSV. Pick your prepared file from your computer. Apollo will read your headers and, in most cases, suggest field matches automatically. Take a moment to review the mapping so first name, last name, company, and especially Wasim War email align correctly. If a column isn't needed, set it to Do Not Import. Finish by clicking Create. Apollo will start processing the file and building your list. Larger files may take a moment. When it's done, your contacts will appear in the list, ready for enrichment or sequencing. It's a good idea to spot check a few records to confirm names, emails, and companies imported as expected. That's it. You've created a people list, set optional filters, uploaded your CSV, and finalized the list in Apollo.io.